How to check if a YouTube channel is monetized or not. First things first is go to youtube.com and search for that specific channel you want to check if that channel is monetized or not. So let's try Jeremio for example. So click on the channel and then copy the channel link and then go to a new tab and type this to a new tab, is this channel monetized.com. So this is actually a method in 2024 that is currently working. It's just paste the YouTube channel link here and click check monetization. I'll just have to wait for a few seconds. Now, as what you can see, the channel is probably not monetized, and then there's actually a reason. Now, it's not actually 100% accurate, but it's the most accurate that most of all tools that you can use. You can even check for further details are here. When was the channel created? How many videos that the channel has? Right? So those are actually the steps on how you can check if a certain YouTube channel is monetized or not.